This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Deanna White. Looking for a great place to retire? Condominium retirement community 55 years and older. Monthly fee includes all maintenance inside and out, housekeeping 2x a month, 6 dinners a month included, 24-hour security, planned activities and more. This unit is a 2-bedroom/1.5 bath cottage with a 1-car garage located on the end near the exit gate. There's a bonus room that can be used for an office or even a guest room. No sign or lockbox per condo rules, listing agent must meet for all showings. For more information, review the details below or contact Deanna White at 901-861-4808.